Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a step back and just kind of summarizing what we've been doing these past couple of days. So I want you to think about these 3 discussion questions, and I want you just to record your answer either on a Google Doc, on a piece of paper, but somewhere that you can share that with your teacher. I want you to think about these 3 questions. So once I talk to you about these questions, you can pause this video, leave these questions up on your screen, and begin jotting down your thinking for these questions. And again, remember to share your thinking about these 3 questions with your teacher, because it's really important that we have that conversation and make sure that we have that goal for how we're going to continue our work with figurative language. Okay, so taking a step back, thinking about question number 1. Whose writing did you like better? Patrick Jennings, so that was Odd, and Little, or Zach Falcon's, which was cloud fishing? And I want you to think about why. Those 2 authors both did a fabulous job of bringing their story to life, but they were also 2 very, very different stories. So there is one story that I lean towards more than another, but I don't want to tell you which one to sway your thinking. So go ahead and be thinking about which one you liked better and why. The second question I want you to think about and jot down your answer to is, what did you learn from our work about how authors work as writers to help readers use their imagination? So I know that we talked about several different figurative language tools. In fact, you just finished practicing metaphors to write like Zach Falcon. So jot down a couple of sentences telling what you learned from all of this work that we have been doing with helping the reader use their imagination. The last question that I want you to respond to is, how can you use what you've learned today and in previous lessons when you read and write text in the future? So basically that question is just asking, what new tools do you have in your tool belt that you're going to use and make sure that you use in your writing and use to help you understand future reading? Okay, so again, guys, I want you to go ahead, pause this video right here and take a few minutes just to write down your answers to these questions, and then make sure that you share your thinking with your teacher, whether that's emailing them your answer, sharing it through a Google Doc, or a discussion, but somehow share your thinking with your teacher. Guys, I'm very proud of your hard work, and thank you for taking time to share your thinking with us.